Let's get it started. Whoa. Are you
Why is there a giant dog here?
Can we keep him?
No.
Hey!
On second thought, good boy.
bad doggy? No, no, stay, stay. Ah! Please, don't hurt me.
Oh, I love this dog.
I'm bigger.
Not by a lot.
By enough.
Not really.
Yes, really.
Okay, but we're talking about font size.
I love Italian.
Ugh, Mindy, it's italics, not Italian.
Ha wee wee.
Ugh, still not Italian.
Mario, Luigi, pizza. Ha croissant.
You're just saying random words with a funny-looking mustache.
Is it working?
She's in Italian class?
If she is, she's definitely flunking.
Wow, she's so bold.
Ugh, spare me.
Someone has to make a bold fashion statement.
You're just wearing a cosplay outfit.
It's a tough job, but I'll do it.
That's not the kind of bold we're talking about.
Look, Miss Lynn is turning red.
All right, let's move on and learn how to do some of them.
It's time for the main event. Dog versus girl. Round
I'm
two.
ready for him this time.
Remember your training.
Okay.
Do it just like I taught you.